Subway Surfer, so let's get into it. It's really fun. I have this girl right here, Trixie, and she is really weird. So I am just, now they can't hear it. Okay, that's good. So I'm doing really good. I'm really good at this. As you see, I have Trixie. Trixie is a really good character. I really recommend getting her. But the easiest thing that I usually like, I'm usually like find these cheats to where I can get automatic coins. I don't know how I do it, but I just do. So, yeah. 120. Hey. We're watching a movie.
We're watching Monsters Inc.
Monsters Inc. What the? Jump up there. Yeah. Boo. Yeah. Maybe tomorrow I will do a nice video for you guys. I'll do a Fun Nights at Freddy's video, and I will see my reaction and my sister's reaction. It's because she's gonna be in it.
Maybe I might be in it. I don't know. I might be busy doing something else.
Because we're really working on doing some stuff.
You should have gotten those shoes.
I tried to, but I hate them because they're really annoying. Oh yeah.
I know. I used to love them. Now I don't. Because it's easy to get on the trains.
I want 91. I nearly need 8 more. Well, look at that. I already have 300. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. In your face, ugly cop. Hey, you think you can get me? Oh no, I don't think so. I don't think so. I got the jetpack. I can get all these coins. You can shut your farty mouth. This is what I hate about the cop. He's so annoying. Sometimes he can just grab you while you're in mid-air. Oh my god, I have 415. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Give me that, baby. Give me that, baby. Maybe I can get 1,000. I don't know. I'm just gonna keep jumping. Oh my god, I'm so scared right now. I think I might die. Don't die.
No.
Don't die. Don't die.
Where did you get those?
I'm
That's
sorry.
a horrible idea.
Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god.
Oh, you
Oh, god.
watched it. You kept it safe.
Yeah, I kept what safe.
You character safe. You didn't kill her.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
No.
I was doing so.
Can I go? Please.
Oh yes, I might get in.
Please.
What?
Let me go one time.
Oh my god, I'm over.
Jeez.
What?
You have a high score.
I know. It's hard to beat it.
Okay.
Hi guys, I'm here.
Subscribe to my channel. My channel. Crazy Carly. And subscribe to the Crazy Carly.
You guys don't know this is the past.
And Roblox. But I'm not too worried about it because I found some ways to get Robux.
So she can just redo her coping.
Yeah, and my grandma can cancel Builders Club off of her credit card. The company that owns the credit card number thingy, whatever you want to call it.
Because this dude just got into our account and still a Builders Club.
Yeah, so maybe he'll end up leaving it.
If Builders Club is
Because
gone.
the only reason he wants it is he's getting Builders Club for free, and he's not having to pay for it.
Nobody is having to pay for it but our grandma.
So he's pretty much stealing her money by using it on himself.
Because It's illegal to steal Robux from people. It's against the law.
No, it's against the law to hack someone. Which I'm sure a bunch of you already know because I'm not idiots, obviously.
Some people, like, some of you have been hacked, like Coral, or not Coral, Alex.
Alex was hacked, but he got his account back.
So hopefully that happens to us.
I don't know how he got his account back. I never
Maybe
found
this
out.
dude just was like, I look so ugly. I would go hack somebody else and get his stuff all back, and then change his password back to his normal password, or something like that. Whatever he did, he changed back to normal. So
No, he contacted Roblox.
he died. And you only had 320 coins. I think we should play like a little bit of something else.
Well, we were going. You should play that. Minecraft.
You can make me a house.
No, you can't.
I'm not playing that. There's no way I'm spending all my time to make another house.
Oh crap.
Okay, bye guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if you liked it. Bye. Peace out.